Oh, there's Grammy P, Colby, and McKenna.
That's littler than baby Kenna, huh?
Yeah, but I want to be too, just like baby McKenna. Yeah.
Hello, girls.
Hello. Hello. Mom, I love baby Kenna.
You love baby McKenna?
Yeah.
That's good.
I love her very much.
You love her
Did you tell baby
very
Kenna
much.
she was your best friend?
I love her in the best whole world in my own family.
Wow.
She said baby Kenna was her very best friend in the whole wide world.
Wow, that's nice.
This is fun.
There's Grammy P doing a little pushing.
They did a flipster doodle out of the hammock, Mommy, on their heads.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. That wasn't very much fun, was it?
No, but Grammy P did it.
Grammy P did it. Did Grammy P make you fall?
Yeah, I made him fall out.
There's an accident.
Okay, say goodbye, girls.
Bye.
Wave.